The very first vibrant idea from this book is build your own personal brand. Let me start this video with a question. How many people know these two guys? Let me give a clue. The technology which we see today wouldn't be same if these two people were not there. These two guys are Steve Jobs and Dennis Ritchie. Everyone know who Steve Jobs is, but most of the people, excluding some computer language enthusiastic, don't know who Dennis Ritchie is. Most of the article you will find on internet which claim that without Dennis Ritchie there will be no Steve Jobs. Dennis Ritchie is the creator of C programming language and co-creator of Unix kernel. Almost everything on the web uses those two things today. The browser are written in C, the Unix kernel that pretty much the entire internet runs on is written in C, web servers are written in C. Then question is why most of the people won't know Dennis Ritchie but know Steve Jobs well. Then answer is Steve Jobs, this name is a brand in itself, it has its own market brand equity, whereas Dennis Ritchie, this name is actually not a big brand in itself. Obviously it is a big name for techno people but definitely not as big as Steve Jobs. Whereas the work of Dennis Ritchie is more significant and have more technical value as compared to Steve Jobs. No doubt in that. This is the magic of developing own personal brand. But despite of knowing this, how many people today actually engaged in creating their online identity or personal brand? Mere negligible. We know Apple, Microsoft, Google hires most talented people in that field, but how many people we know actually among them? We only know the founders or max CEO of these companies since they have a significant brand equity. The rest are only known to those companies. When author Gary Vee was in college, his father had the wine business. In 1994, it was having $3 million a year in sales. Once he graduated, he started helping his father in his business. And in 1995, Gary Vee came to know about the internet phenomenon and he realized its potential of reaching to massive audience and started leveraging the internet by starting winelibrary.com. In 1998, the business jumped to $10 million a year in sales. In 2001, it jumped to $20 million and in 2006, it jumped to $60 million. This sales jumped phenomenally because of the online presence, social media and valuable personal brand equity. In today's world of internet, it becomes utmost important to establish your own brand and have your identity online. And if you have a business, then it's necessary to make your business thrive. Gary Vee tells that anyone who has a passion in any of the things that can be even as small as clicking the nature's photos, drawing cartoons, writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, scripting one's traveling experiences, developing small coding snippets, drafting humorous jokes, making banners or simply anything, must establish a brand around one's passion and be patient and keep on working on it. Soon you will realize how big it can explode and how far it can lift your own market value, or even it will help yourself to discover the path to financial freedom. And since you are working on your passion, it will grow your happiness to many folds. You are 100% happy. The main thing which you need to identify during establishing a brand is which medium suits to your personality. Someone might use writing, someone might use audio or video. Once medium is finalized, then next step is to start preparing the quality content and posting it on the various social media platforms so that it can attract the like-minded target audience. The big hurdle which people faces today is identify their own passion. Gary Vee calls it as identifying your own DNA. For this, you need to ask question to yourself, that is, do I have 50 different ways to express my passion? This is the minimum number of ways. If you have a true passion, then you can even have 500 ways. But even if you have 50, by the end of 50, you will discover your own passion. Let's say I have a passion of creating videos, then I must ask, do I have 50 ways or topics to create a video on? Then if answer is yes, then I must go for it and continue working on it. The essential skill in developing content is storytelling. Are you a good storyteller? Do you have that capability to keep the viewers engaged? And if not, then you must need to develop this essential skill to make people hooked up on your brand. Next vibrant idea is start hustling. Today might be internet, it's crowded with number of things similar to your passion and well guarded by some big bulls in that field. In such cases, the only differentiator comes to our rescue is passion and hustle. Don't ever look at someone who has more capital and cred than you and think you shouldn't bother to even compete. You may only have $1 million business and your biggest competitor may have $50 million business. But if you can outwork him or her, then you will win over time. So start hustling, start taking action and be vibrant. So summarizing the vibrant ideas from this video. First, start developing and building your own personal brand. Second, discover your passion. Third, acquire the skill of storytelling. Fourth, start hustling. This is a pretty small book, but it involves the vibrant tools and advices on how you can grow your own personal brand and how you can find your passion. Recommending to those who are eager to start something but struggling to find their own passion. You can buy this book from the link given in the description below. If you like this video, do comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Until next video, stay vibrant.